Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change Yahoo to Google Chrome. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC or laptop and you can see that I'm on the Yahoo search engine. In order to switch whichever search engine to Google, simply click on the three dots menu at top right corner of the screen and choose Settings. In the Settings tab, click on Search Engine in the left side menu and your search engine settings will open up. Click on Manage, then select google.com and click on Make Default. And that's how you can change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.